All right, guys, good morning. It is Monday morning. Yesterday was Sunday, didn't do too much, but today we are at Wilcon Department. It's hardware, and I'm gonna go in here and try to find a toilet tank for the store. All right, we are in Wilcon right now. Wilcon? Wilcon. Kind of reminds me of a Home Depot. Of course, the toilets and everything are right as you walk in. So now it's just a matter of finding a tank. Got to replace the tank. I said something to the landlord about it, and he said, "Oh, the tank leaks," or I forget what he said. Basically, he told me he's not going to replace it. So I'm going to replace the tank, but I'm also going to keep the old one. And when we decide, or if we decide to leave there, I will put his old tank back on. But gotta have a tank that flushes. You know what I'm saying? But we're on the hunt right now for a toilet tank. So just the tank needs replaced, that's all. Alright, so they did not have the toilet tank in there. They said they would have to order it, and it would take anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks, and I don't have time to wait 3 to 4 weeks, so we're gonna head down to a place called Marina Arcade, which is, you know, just down the road here. We're actually in Dao right now, so it's only just down the road, so we'll head down there and see if we can find a tank. All right, we are at Marina Arcade. I've never been here, but it looks pretty neat. We got a lot of military surplus stuff here also. I have to come check this one out. It all goes back in through there. But we're on a mission to get a tank, and I gotta find this tank. Yeah, they got all. I guess she's back in here. Oh, there she is. Morning. All right. Found the tanks. All right, guys, check this place out. Good morning. Check this place out. They got so much. I've never been in here. First time I actually been in here. That's a mix of everything up in there. Actually, guns and ammo joint right there. Mix of everything in here. Toilets, sinks, you name it. It's a little bit of everything. Definitely going to come back here and do some more walking around, checking some more things out. Right here, some more tanks, some more toilets. Maybe I should just price around, but Kano showed up, so Kano tax. I know, San Luisa, but it's one of those things that she's not too familiar with, so. But anyways, they got a lot of stuff in here. Wow. All up and down the street. Good morning. Kitchen supplies, stainless steel sinks. Hello. Yeah, I'll definitely be back here to check this place out. Found something new today. Office chairs. Weed whackers. Compressors.
Yes, sir.
Morning.
Yes, sir.
Morning. More toilets. Morning. Let's take a walk up here. Morning. Morning.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir, anything?
Good evening.
What you're looking
Or
for,
good
sir?
morning. I'm just looking. All right, let me go find Lut. All right, guys, you see I bought the tank and everything. Dropped Louisa off here after I did that, and I went out, ran some errands and did a few things. Picked up Hannah Grace, and now I'm back at the store, and Lut has been very, very busy today. We're almost ready, guys. She's gonna go pick up the permit, right?
Yeah.
She's picking up her permit, her license on Thursday, and tomorrow we got a few more running around to do, pick up some more things, but let me show you the progress here. Oh wait, before I show you that, let me show you this. The tank, I installed the tank. The only problem is I got a two-way for down here, two-way valve so I can hook the bidet up and the tank up, but the tank's hooked up and that's ready to go. And anyways, guys, let me show you what Louisa has been doing and the progress of the store. All right, guys, here it is. The progress of the store. We still got a few more things to buy. She's got a vendor coming tomorrow to get some, or to sell a few things. And got to hook up the rice area here and get prices on the rice. But yeah, it is moving right along. Shelves are full. Like I said, tomorrow we got to go grab some more things up at Jumbo Genera, and things are moving right along. Now yesterday, she opened up the doors and she had a couple people stop by and, you know, to buy a few things. Look, what did you sell?
Yesterday or today?
Yesterday and today.
Cigarettes, shampoo, Downy, beef fresh candies, stickos.
Candies, stickos.
Yeah. Some like magic syrup, Ajinomoto, simple things.
People were asking for ice, right? The other day, people were asking for rice, but we didn't have any in the freezer. Now we got the freezer loaded, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, people are, oh, and loads.
Yeah,
So quite a few loads. Oh, Hannah Grace says lollipops. We sold some lollipops. I bought a few things, but yeah, everything is moving right along. We are progressing right along. Got the stove there, ready to go. Got the propane tank hooked up, that works. Got the refrigerator, that's full of, well, the top's full of ice. We got the water cooler hooked up, but it is moving fast. We're talking probably Saturday?
Could be.
Saturday.
Hopefully.
Hopefully Saturday we'll have the opening. Right now it's just a soft opening, but anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. Once again, thanks for all the positive comments. We've been very, very busy. I know there's a lot of people asking a lot of comments or a lot of questions and stuff. I need to sit down, and I'm actually going to sit down and do a video on it and answer some of the questions on video. And but anyways, guys, I guess until tomorrow, and the journey continues.